Hello and welcome back. Today we are talking about inequalities and we are solving combined inequalities. So let's get started. The first inequality that we see is called a disjunction. You will notice the word or lies in between both statements. X is less than -2 or x is greater than or equal to 1. So by less than, we mean that it does not include -2. So let's go over here to our -2 and circle it because x is less than that. But x does not include that. So what we're going to do is draw a line from -2 to the end of the number line, because all that we know is that x does not include -2, but it's less than that. And the next one says or x is greater than or equal to 1. Now by greater than or equal to, we are going to circle to darken in this little circle above the 1, because the value of x includes 1, but it also includes everything greater than 1. So we're going to draw a line from the darkened in circle above 1 to the end of the number line on the right, and that is the solution to that particular inequality. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, what we're going to do now is solve a combined inequality that is in compacted form. Compacted form would be something like this. -4 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2. So you notice it doesn't have the words, and in between it, but basically that's what it means, because x is two things. It's two things. It's something in relation to -4, and it's something in relation to +2. So how would we graph that? Well, let's go up to our -4. We know that it's greater than or equal to, so since it includes -4, we'll just darken in a circle. And we're going to go to the right. But we don't know how far to the right we should go. We just know that it's -4 is less than it or equal to it. So it's over here somewhere. Let's look at the second inequality. X is less than or equal to 2. So we darken in +2. And we know that we're going this way. But we don't know how far we're going with just that statement by itself. We combine the left and the right, and we realize that x actually lies somewhere in between these 2 points. And so we draw it like this. Okay, let's do another one. Here's 102. Okay, we're not going to include 102 because x is greater than 102. So we'll just draw a circle at the top like this. And we know that x is over to the right. But before we draw our line, we look at the part after the and. X is less than or equal to 104. So, since it's equal to 104, we darken that in. And since it's less than, we go to the left. And we're met with a 102, so we just take a line and connect them like this. And now it says both things. It says that x is greater than 102 but does not include 102. And x is less than or equal to 104. And that's it.